Hi, I thought I'd better share some of the safety features that I've added to my table saw. In case some people are like myself, I don't use the table saw as often. While as a good tool, yet as I call it a cruel friend, so it could be very dangerous. So I added bits and pieces that I want to share with others. Basically, one of them was just to add this polycarbonate material on top, which is 4 millimeter thick. And so while you wear your safety glasses and air muffs, you see one something like that, especially if I find with the aluminium that flying pieces everywhere. And then another feature was basically these two that you can bring it forward and then hold your material from here or etc. While you push your finger with your fingers, push them down there. So that was a good thing. Also, I found out that the driving knife here, don't take it off. I found it was quite useful. Without it, I had few flying pieces because it's a kickback. So I ended up to leave it there, put it back in. Other thing I added was basically this. So what it does is, the previous one was pretty small, so I had to bend over and turn it off, which I found it awkward. So by adding this extra piece, I can now turn it off with my knee while standing here. I can just go and then turn it off while I'm still working on the machine. Because often when you got pieces here, you don't know, should I push it forward, then it will break. Should I lift it, then it's gonna have kickback, etc. So I thought the best thing was just while I'm holding it here, I can just use my knee and shut it off. The other thing I added was basically I found out that my previous runner was using a piece of wood and it was just lifting. So instead I added these two aluminium. One is a 19 millimeter, which is the size of the groove here, while the other one is just a spacer, which is a 12 millimeter on top of it. So basically what I found out was when I was leaning over this, with the long pieces, etc., I found out the whole table was lifting. So for that reason, I had to do as you add those grooves, so it doesn't. Anyway, that was my feature, I guess, safety feature that I added that I wanted to share with others in case you found it useful. Thank you.